definition. Whenever you enter the room, how do people experience you? Do they experience you as someone who sucks their energy? Our worth is not dependent on people, position, possession, profit, popularity, and even physical appearance. Your worth is only determined by the one who created you. The most important person in life is the one in front of you. The purpose is to make the person in front of you feel important. And that entails everything. You're looking prepared. Confidence is the quiet strength that flows from knowing who you are and the courage to communicate your purpose. Sometimes, we are confused, we're losing confidence because you don't even have an overview of you prior to zone. It is the intersection of who you are and deciding to represent who you are. You wanted to communicate you to how you show up. You wanted to communicate your purpose, your power to how you act. Your equal group is coming from. You're trying to actually communicate and listen to them. You have the power to remember the real sources of confidence. Our principle is to look healthy, to look confident, to look like you have that integrity. Our goal is to be remembered as a multiplier, someone who uses their intelligence to multiply the potential of others. As a woman who leads, we need to understand that I have to lead myself first. It's not so easy to lead another person when you cannot even lead yourself.